Updating your legal name on Carbonite is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated correctly and accurately. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Carbonite account by visiting the official website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select personal information. Within the account settings, find the option for personal information or profile. Click on this to view your current name and other personal details. Step 4. Update your name. In the personal information section, look for the field that displays your current legal name. Edit this field to reflect your new legal name. Ensure that all spelling and formatting are correct. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your name, scroll down to find the Save or Update button. Click this to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email once the update is processed. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Carbonite should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Carbonite's customer support for assistance.